Hello fellow curious minds. Welcome back to Curiosity Chronicles, the channel that explores the wonders of our world. I'm a research scholar, and today we are delving into a topic that's both fascinating and impactful: biochar. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting explorations. Now let's get started. So what exactly is biochar? It's not just another term you throw around. Biochar is a powerful substance derived from organic materials through a process called pyrolysis. In simple terms, it's like turning waste into black gold for our soil. The potential benefits are mind-blowing. So stay tuned. To truly grasp the power of biochar, we need to journey into the past. From ancient Amazonian civilizations to traditional farming practices, biochar has silently played a crucial role. The history is rich, and the applications are diverse. Let's uncover the historical tapestry of biochar. Now, let's talk about the environment. Biochar isn't just beneficial for soil health. It's a climate change warrior. We'll explore how this black carbon can lock away carbon dioxide, mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, and contribute to sustainable agriculture. Mother Nature would be proud. For all you DIY enthusiasts out there, stick around. In the next minute, I'll walk you through a simple process of making biochar at home. It's an exciting experiment you can try with household items. But safety first, folks. We've covered the theory, but now it's time to see biochar in action. From agriculture to water filtration, the real-world applications are limitless. Stay tuned as we showcase some incredible projects where biochar is making a difference around the globe. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to highlight some of the fantastic comments from our previous videos. We love hearing from you, and your insights make this community thrive. Keep those comments coming, and who knows, your comment might be featured in our next video. And there you have it, the incredible world of biochar unveiled. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your fellow curious minds, and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future adventures. Thank you for joining us on Curiosity Chronicles today. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video. Curiosity Chronicles Explore. Discover, share. Check out our latest video on related topic. Subscribe for more exciting content. Follow us on social media at Curiosity Chronicles. Thanks for watching.